Ever wondered which senators or congressmen are into crypto? It might not seem like such a big deal, but knowing who your ally is when it comes to supporting cryptocurrency can make a huge difference when it comes to getting crypto-friendly legislation passed. Now, if cryptocurrency is a dominant factor in your life, it's important to know who in office has your back on it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out which politicians you can rely on as a crypto supporter. You might be surprised by what you find out. However, a quick disclaimer before we get started. Politics is a touchy subject for many, so I'd like to say that this video is not meant to tell you who to vote for. Regardless of your values or beliefs, all I'm doing is presenting the facts and leaving you to make your own determination. Now, the information presented in this video about the senators and congressmen are courtesy of Coinbase's crypto advocacy feature. As for the presidential candidates, that information comes from the good old internet. Coinbase has this to say about their methodology for classifying how supportive a member of Congress is towards crypto. Quote, "The crypto sentiment rating was compiled using publicly available data, including legislative record, media statements, social media posts, caucus membership, and public letters. For members without information or information that could not be publicly verified, they were not scored." Originally, I was going to go through the app and identify every single politician who was supportive of cryptocurrency, and then film a part 2 at a later date identifying every politician who was against cryptocurrency. But after starting that script, I quickly realized that it was going to take far too much time. The video would be insanely long and it would get boring real fast. So I decided to do something even better and decided to empower you by giving you the tools to do your own research. Now, it is also important to note that just because Coinbase deems a politician as someone who supports crypto, further research is often required. It is very possible for politicians on both sides to support crypto in completely different ways, or worse, for someone to masquerade as a crypto supporter only to be a staunch advocate against it behind closed doors. Now let's jump in. You're going to first start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone, and hopefully if you're watching this channel, you already have an account with them. Now from the home screen, locate the grid of dots situated in the top left corner and click on it. Then scroll down until you find the Do More with Crypto category and click on Crypto Advocacy. Boom, that's it. You've successfully unlocked a powerful research tool that's been hiding right under your nose. Now, Coinbase introduced the feature around this time last year, but haven't necessarily done a great job marketing it to users or making it easy to find for that matter. But now you've just learned how to access it, and you can find all sorts of valuable information with it. For example, let's take a look at Texas. You can see that we are currently looking within the Texas House of Representatives and that Republicans Michael Burgess, Michael Cloud, and Lance Gooden are all supportive of cryptocurrency. On the other hand, you can see that Democrat Sylvia Garcia is neutral and Democrats Lloyd Doggett and Al Green are against it. Now, if you click on the Learn More button on any one of the politicians' sections, it will tell you just how supportive or just how against it they are, how many notable statements they've made about crypto, good or bad, and how many crypto bills they've sponsored or co-sponsored. Now click on the Senate tab to view the stance of the state's senators, and you can also see their detailed information if you click on the Learn More button. Now here we see Republicans Ted Cruz and John Cornyn are supportive of cryptocurrency. Now this is just the state of Texas, mind you. It is not meant to serve as a generalization that more Republicans support crypto than Democrats or vice versa. It's been a while since I've crunched those numbers, and people are definitely capable of changing their stances over time, given more information. After all, that's part of what makes us human, the ability to change our opinion when presented with additional facts. Now that I've shown you how to find out which members of Congress support crypto or don't, allow me to give you a quick rundown on which of the current 2024 presidential candidates are pro-crypto. In no particular order, the presidential candidates who support cryptocurrency in some form or fashion are Governor of Florida Ron DeSantis, American entrepreneur Vivek Ramaswamy, lawyer Robert F. Kennedy Jr., and Governor of North Dakota, Doug Burgum. Now there are others who haven't made their stance as clear, but these are the candidates who have been the most vocal about stating their support for the digital asset space. Well, that's all for this one, guys. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this week's video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more coffee and crypto content. This is Ryan, signing off.